Today, we are one step closer to AI that really sits on my device, can see everything that I'm doing, and can chat with me about that. No more screenshots and uploading and giving context. It just lives with me. This is what we want. This is where we're going. The AI come to my world rather than I have to go to the AI. I'm talking about a new capability in Microsoft Copilot called Copilot Vision. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is Microsoft Copilot app installed on my device. And the magic happens with these glasses here. Share screen with Copilot. I can share a screen or I can share an app. I'm going to share this one. And it pops up here.
Hey! It looks like you're viewing your QuickBooks dashboard. Is there something specific you'd like help with in the app?
Yeah, how do I schedule a report so that it gets sent to me by email every week?
All right, to schedule a report in QuickBooks, first you go to the report you want. Then you click on this.
Where is that? Can you highlight that for me?
It looks like you're on your QuickBooks dashboard. To set up email reports, you'll first need to navigate to Reports. Let's start by clicking on the Reports tab on the...
Show me where that is.
I've highlighted the Reports tab on the left side for you.
Got it. Thank you. And now where do I go next?
Now that you're in the Reports section, look for the specific report you want to schedule.
All right, so there we go. I stopped here a bit abruptly because I got what I wanted to show you. I showed you that I can share a screen or an app with her. I can actually share a couple and we can talk about both. I can interrupt her when she talks, which I love because sometimes they go on and on about something that's not what I want, and I can interrupt, and she's pretty quick to react to that. And I love that you can highlight things for me on the screen. Where do I click? Here, you click here, Inbal. Makes my life easier. I actually used it today a couple of times to help me solve problems with both QuickBooks Online that I didn't know where to go to do something, and also with OBS, the app that I'm using to record this. Something went wrong there, and it helps me figure out what's going on. The difference is that QuickBooks Online is in my browser. OBS is an actual installed app like Excel or Word or anything else installed on my device, and it can help me with that too. What does that mean for us? Well, I love that AI comes to where I am, into my browser, into my desktop, onto my device, rather than me having to go to it, log into it, and upload files or upload screenshots and tell it what's going on and give it a lot of context. In the settings, we can see that I can allow it to auto-start on login. I can also set it up to respond to Hey Copilot. So I can just be working and just not click the glasses, but it will just say, Hey Copilot, and it will pop up and start helping me, which is pretty awesome. And I can also allow it to search my files and to read my files. So it can actually find things on my PC for me, which can also be pretty useful. Where is this going? Well, I'm not sure, but we've seen a couple of directions now. We've seen today Copilot Vision, which sits on my device and interacts really well with everything that I'm doing. It's not doing things for me just yet, but Microsoft already shown videos of where it will go, where it will be able to rename files for me, for example, all these image files, give them meaningful names or organize them into folders. Doesn't do that just yet for me, but it looks like we're getting there. The other one that we're seeing that I showed you a few weeks ago are browsers, where AI is in the browser and can interact with what I'm seeing on my browser for me. Which one's gonna win? Not sure. Maybe we'll have both experiences going at the same time. For now, I think it is worth playing with both to just get an idea and get used to it. I think Copilot Vision is quite a useful feature. And of course, there's the aspect of data confidentiality. So when you get started, it will get you to acknowledge a statement, a privacy statement, and they talk about how Copilot Vision handles your data. It's only active when you initiate a Vision session. It handles your data in accordance with the Microsoft privacy statement. And then it goes into more detail about what they store and what they don't store. So it's worth giving that a bit of a look. Have fun.